Musure mekuloncha ndini Mukudzei last Saturday say wikino vati mukomana enda unotora Range Rover yako kuna Victor upiwe $150,000 in cash as promised. Welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Vanyora vakati, you are the GOAT Baba, the greatest of all time. There can only be one master of the craft, one exceptional talent, one phenomenal musician of our time, one songwriter who blends traditional music with our culture and heritage, giving it a contemporary sound that transcends generations and unites Zimbabweans from every walk of life. It can only be Wagwizi, the one and only Jah Praiser, the God. It has been a long, remarkable journey of self-discovery from the early days of Ndinotsvaga Maria to Gochi Gochi to Mudhara Vachauya to the anthem Kutonga Kwaro. I'm extremely proud of you, my brother, for how you have evolved in the music industry, blending traditional and contemporary music and discovering yourself over and over again. You have proven beyond doubt that you are indeed the God. Today, I celebrate you for being such a phenomenal, exceptionally gifted young musician. Today, with the third generational brand, you have once again proven your unmatched artistry by launching yet another masterpiece, Ndini Mukudzei. Well done, my brother. You have set yourself apart. You have joined the League of the Legends and earned your place in the Hall of Fame by composing songs which carry the deepest meaning. Songs that make every listener, whether a fan or a critic, reflect deeply on their own life and challenge themselves to be better. Ini ndini mukuru handitauri zvokunyepa, as I promised before, and in celebration of your unstoppable progress and the major success of the launch of Ndini Mukudzei last Saturday, please go and see Victor, go exquisite cars. Your brand new 2025 Range Rover Auto Bio is fully paid for and ready for collection. A God like you deserve to drive nothing but the highest luxury. In addition, please collect your $150,000 in cash as promised. This is just a small token of my gratitude for your immense contribution to Zimbabwean music and your patriotism in uniting thousands of people through music, preaching peace, love, unity in every song. I wish you all the success that this world can offer. May you continue to shine, inspire, and carry the Zimbabwean flag higher. Enjoy your new ride. Wagwizi, #Mukudzei, #Kutonga Kwaro, the God Hall of Fame, #Wagwizi. So ndo mashoko arikubva kuna sewikino vakati 150 comments dziya dzamaiseka muchiti Mukudzei arikunanzva vamwe varume yezvoka ndakuratidzai vamwe vari kuti tiri kuzviziva hedu kuti ava ndimainini valulu kana toti ndiwo maiguru. Vamwe vakati zvine kakusvotesa, so kusvotesa varombo ende vana Winky D vanenge vari kutosvotewa nekuti vajaira kakunzi ndiwo greatest of all time, but aiwa zvanzi Wagwizi ndiwo. Kokungotenga mapainizi naye mimoisa muzvipatara, vanhu vese vofara naye. Chiko chiri pamota idzi and dzinopiwa vane mari or influence chete. Manetizens are divided. Vamwe vari kuti congratulations Tete Mukudzei Chivayo, vamwe vari kuti maiguru mainini Chivayo, tiri kukukongratulatai. Vamwewo vari kuyawo nemoyo chaiwo uri kuti aiwa magona sewiknewo, that's great, congratulations JP. Asi vazhinji vari kuti zuro rino Machakaire wakataura kuti hakuna mishonga kuchipatara. Every time panopostwa mota tinotoitaura nyaya yemushonga because $150,000 iri kungopuwa munhu kuti aise muhomwe here. Those saying congratulations, what do you really mean? Imari dzenyika dziri kubiwa idzi muchingoti congratulations. Next thing you go to the hospital and there is nothing there and you die crying for a painkiller. Wake up Zimbabwe. Why makadaro so imimi? Vanhu vakadaika nobody should attend their shows, man. Imagine what is this. They have enough money to spoil each other, and to those who are saying congratulations, hey, they marika kudaro chokwadi. Whoever congratulates this madness anotopenga chero naye. Barely 2 days elapsed pachitaugwa nyaya decaying situation of health systems. Imotora mari nemota yakawanda kudai mosvitsa munhu 1 wikineuka uri shameless and a disgrace chaiyo chaiyo. It will be history soon Mwari wehama dzokufa nekushaya mishonga in hospitals will answer Zimbabwe. You are proving to the masses that ZANU-PF, Chinese empowered, is a looting scheme. Ukoskota kuda kuvhara vanhu nekamini hospital kaya kuti vanhu vasataure nyaya yegold mafia yaari kuita iyi. 150 can make a difference in people's lives. A basic wheelchair range is from $100 to $500, meaning that you'd some can purchase 1,500 wheelchairs, which cost $100. Once again, we can uri shameless, uri heartless. This guy's money is not clean. It's only for buying cars. With the state of the Papa tinotaura kuti mhiko chete vanhu vanoramba zvavo, but this guy's money is not clean. Sei ichingori yekutenga mota. Patinotaura zvezvipatara, mahospital, zvikoro, maticha, maroads nezvimwe zvakadaro, hapana mari inomboendwa kwese ikoko. Jairus Jiri nezvimwe zvakadaro. Surely any normal thinking wealthy person could have done something unless dziri mhiko, guys. Asi vamwe veku-Youth League vari kuti ivo hating Wikineo is a waste of time and energy. This visionary entrepreneur has undoubtedly earned his place as one of the most successful individuals in Zimbabwe and Africa. His legitimate wealth has been a blessing to numerous musicians, church leaders and politicians, and many others. His philanthropic efforts have touched countless lives, and for that he deserves our greatest, deepest gratitude. I would like to extend my sincerest appreciation to Seth Wikineo for fulfilling his promise to the incredibly talented Wagwizi, Zimbabwe's finest musician and one of Africa's most celebrated artists. Congratulations to Wagwizi on his well-deserved recognition. Congratulations. So apa ndo zviri kubuda mastreets, vanhu vane mixed feelings nenyaya iyi. Asi Patricia Jake ati achizoita metsi yacho manje, ati iye Lulu roora rake rakaita 100,000 ndobva kwabiwa 75,000 iya. So tongoti Lulu pakabviswa $30,000. Lulu ndobva puwa 2 mota dzake dzitsva. Fine. Toenda kuna Japraiser. JP got 150 plus 150 plus 300,000. Ndobva puwa 4 my latest cars plus 8 dzema band members. Saka seWikineo varatidza zvisina kupukana kuti vanoda Japraiser kudarika mudzimai wavo. So ndo metsi yaitwa zvikaratidza kuti hapana imwe celebrity muZimbabwe chero mudzimai wavo chaiye akapiwa that amount naseWikineo. Mari yawandira kuna Japraiser ikashotera kumba uko, guys. But anyway, kumba handiti vachiriko, vakati lifetime together. Mazano tambona vaita kunge zvaita nani mujeti, havachanyari vakusarawo vati suka-sukawo zviri nani mazimba yaanoda kuwachwa ka. Asi zvaratidza kuti Japraiser greatest of all time. Do leave your comments on what you think. Is this still philanthropy? Kana tukatova kutoshamisira chaiko.